Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great house opportunity in Pamphret, St. Thomas. St. Thomas is rapidly opening up to major development opportunities, making it one of the most promising areas for real estate investment in Jamaica. Located on the fringe of Pomfret, this exceptional property offers a unique opportunity for a guest house or housing development. Just minutes from Harborview and the Norman Manley International Airport, the location combines convenience with potential for long-term growth. This expansive property spans approximately 5 acres of land, providing ample space for further development or enhancement. The main residence is a well-constructed two-story home featuring 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, 3 of which are en suite, ideal for accommodating guests in comfort and privacy. The layout also includes a spacious living room, formal dining area, and a dedicated study, offering a balance between leisure and productivity. Outdoor enjoyment is enhanced by one patio and 2 balconies, all overlooking the peaceful natural surroundings. Complementing the main house is a detached 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit, perfect for staff quarters or additional guest accommodation. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 87 million US 551.4 thousand, Canadian 789.3 thousand, or 428.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.